Have you ever wanted to get inside the mind of your customers and understand what they truly value about your brand? Impossible unless you're a mind reader, right? Well, not anymore. Introducing sentiment analysis. We offer two key capabilities. The first allows you to understand what your top customers, your advocates, really value about your brand. The second allows you to better understand your detractors. So, what are these features, and more importantly, what action can you take from them? Our first feature analyses the messages referrers send to their friends. This allows you to understand what your top customers, your advocates, really value about your brand. What are the key USPs that they really care about? For example, you might have introduced a new product range that they really like. It might be something that's always been part of your value proposition, for example, free returns that you weren't aware customers valued, but in fact it's a major selling point. You can then use this information to optimize your wider referral program and also your wider marketing. Our second feature, NPS sentiment analysis, allows you to understand pain points from your detractors. Our AI-powered analysis clearly groups the pain points into themes, with areas to explore to address these pain points. Over time, by addressing these pain points, you turn those detractors into promoters and then ultimately full-blown advocates. Our NPS feature is specifically focused on addressing pain points up to the point of referral, with the aim of creating as many advocates as possible. Interested in finding out more?